Hello everyone. My name is Jairo Triana. I am studying administration health. In my opinion, if technologies continues in its growing with consumerism, um, we, we will have serious irreparable damage to the environment because the governments of countries have realized that technology is grave consumers needs renewable resource because the news to manufacture more and more the beach each days. Greece and growing demands resource extraction and this grief than growing demand for resource extraction and this world country that the energy consumers of this the generation that governments in incredible that to supply demand for energy. In the with the flora and fauna around the Europe's resources, I think this board resolved with the implementation of hub main solar panels that the generation the energy the needs housing and for industries that may the technologies be to recycle and reuse the bits obsolete. Of course, it's not only the responsibility of the industry. We have to change excessive consumerism. We have to know to base what is necessary and reuse what we can give the planet we will live on more change. Thanks to everyone.